Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Kamar Azlan from DDT-S3B. Matrix number 01 DDT19F1066. Now I want to show you to create the password, which is to open the PDF file minor images. So now let's check it out. So firstly, you must download the John the Ripper, Hashcat, and the Perl. So firstly, you must open the folder. Okay, after that you can see this folder in OSC. So you must to copy the John folder at OSC. So you click John and then you click run. So you must to copy the major and minor PDF file at the run on John. Okay, you can see okay, this is a major file in PDF and minor file in PDF. So after you download, you must open the CMD command prompt and you run and as administrator. So firstly, okay, you open the admin. Okay, so I do that before I record this video. So this is command prompt. So firstly, you must to change the Windows system name. So mostly you type the cd dot dot slash dot dot and then you click enter and this show you this cd and you type cd John Jones minus 1.9.0 minus jumbo minus 1 minus win 64 slash 1. So you click enter, so they show you this. Okay, so after you click enter, you must to type the perl per pdf to john dot pl dot pl minor dot pdf. After that you click enter, so they show you the about the hash number for this minor PDF. So hash password. After that you copy this and then after you copy, you open back the folder in John. So you must to create one new text document. Okay. So you must to create the text document and you name this document is a minor. Okay. After you click minor, you open and you paste here the hash number for this menu. Okay, after that you save and you close and then you uh, you type the this John minor dot text after you save the text document. So they run about the about the minor PDF. So I just do open the password before I record this video. So they show you the password. Okay, now you must to type the John Minor that show to see the password. So you can see this is a minor PDF password. So the password is 124567. So if you want to check, you open the PDF file for minor file. So okay, so this is a minor PDF. So you type 124567. Okay, you can see 124567. Okay, so after that you click enter. So well done. So you done successfully to open the minor PDF. So the password is very weak. Okay. So now let's check it out for the major. Okay, the major PDF to create the password. So firstly you must copy the PDF major in run on the John. Okay. After that, we open the CMD. Okay, you CMD, you do the same step on the minor. Okay, you must to type the per pdf to john dot pl major dot pdf. After you click enter, so you can see the hash number hash for the major. Okay, the hash for the major hash password. Okay, for the major. Okay, this. After that, you copy the hash and then you open the folder back. So you create the one test document for major. Okay, you click and you pass here. Okay, after you pass here, you save. Okay, close. And then you open the command prompt back. Okay, so you type johnmajor.txt. Sorry, you type John major.txt. Okay, before you show the password. Okay, after that, to show you, this is a process to scan the password, but this is a very long time to take. I think because the password is very strange, that's why this happen. Sebab itu benda ni berlaku kerana password dia sangat ketat, so dia mengambil masa yang sangat lama. Okay, jadi cara ini adalah, inilah caranya untuk kita create password untuk major PDF dan juga minor PDF. So that's all from me. Thank you.